From fast food chains to fine dining establishments, the restaurant industry is cooking up something new: renewable energy. But how exactly are restaurants moving towards 100% green power? Can a burger joint powered by the sun really change the climate equation? Today, we dive into the numbers, the technologies, and the groundbreaking innovations shaping a greener dining experience. Restaurants are more than places to eat. They're major energy consumers. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency reports that restaurants use about 5 to 7 times more energy per square foot than other commercial buildings. That's huge. Globally, food service businesses account for nearly 10% of commercial energy use, making them critical players in the renewable energy puzzle. Installing solar panels on rooftops or small wind turbines nearby is one of the fastest ways for restaurants to go green. For example, Chipotle announced that 100 of its locations will run on 100% renewable electricity, including solar rooftops. The economics are compelling. According to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, the cost of solar has dropped by nearly 90% since 2009. A typical 50 kilowatts rooftop system can save a restaurant $20,000 to $40,000 per year in electricity bills. Not every restaurant has a suitable roof for solar. Enter power purchase agreements, or PPAs. Through a PPA, a restaurant can purchase renewable electricity directly from a solar or wind farm, even if it's located hundreds of miles away. In 2023 alone, businesses signed over 36 gigawatts of corporate PPAs globally, according to Bloomberg NEF, enough to power 27 million homes. Restaurants, especially large chains like Starbucks and McDonald's, are increasingly using PPAs to meet their clean energy commitments. Another solution is purchasing energy attribute certificates, also known as renewable energy certificates, RECs, in the U.S. For every megawatt hour of renewable electricity generated, one certificate is issued. Restaurants can buy these certificates to match their energy use with green power. For instance, Domino's Pizza in the UK purchased RECs to offset 100% of its electricity consumption. While not a direct physical supply, EACs fund renewable projects and send a strong demand signal. One of the boldest changes is happening inside the kitchen. Traditional gas stoves, fryers, and boilers are being replaced with high-efficiency electric alternatives. Induction cooktops use up to 50% less energy compared to gas stoves. Heat pump water heaters are up to 3x more efficient than traditional models. Switching to all-electric equipment can reduce a restaurant's carbon footprint by up to 60%. Take Panera Bread, already piloting all-electric kitchens in select stores. Restaurants are also turning to smart energy management systems. These monitor real-time usage, identify waste, and optimize efficiency. According to the Department of Energy, smart controls can cut restaurant energy consumption by 10–20%. Case in point, McDonald's has implemented smart building technology in over 2,000 stores worldwide, saving millions in utility costs. The future is green by design. New restaurants are being built with sustainability in mind, using passive solar architecture, advanced insulation, and net-zero design principles. In Sweden, Max Burgers designed a restaurant that generates 110% of its energy needs through solar and geothermal systems, actually feeding excess energy back to the grid. Globally, the trend is accelerating. By 2030, experts estimate that over 60% of restaurants in developed nations will operate primarily on renewable energy. In the U.S., the National Restaurant Association found that 70% of operators view sustainability as critical to their brand image. In Europe, over 50% of new restaurants are already all-electric. In Asia, China and India are rapidly deploying renewable projects that will reshape food service operations. The journey to 100% renewable energy isn't just about saving money or reducing emissions. It's about reimagining the way we dine, the way we cook, and the way we connect food to the planet. Restaurants are proving that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand, and that every meal served can be powered by the sun, the wind, and the future. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe to @Data Focus Official for more deep dives into the numbers that shape our world. Together, we can make data